Main opposition leader Nelson Chamisa says he is making frantic efforts to push SADC to schedule talks between him and President Emmerson Mnangagwa in order to find common ground to help fix the ailing economy. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. We are one, let us work together. That is why you realize that I am making frantic efforts calling on SADC to mediate in the impasse with my relative Mnangagwa. Chamisa lamented that Zimbabweans were now migrating to other countries when in fact they must be building their own country, which is in shambles, characterized by lack of service delivery and no disposable incomes for workers. The economy is in tatters and is affecting every citizen. I am not talking politics but state of the economy. We cannot have multitudes of people failing to work for their country because they are abroad. We want Zimbabweans to come back to their country and enjoy their country. This is today's news about Nelson Chamisa pushing for SADC to mediate talks between Mnangagwa and him to stop Zimbabweans fleeing economic hardships. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.